So I just got my hands on the E-YOOSO 799 keyboard. I went with the 99 key layout because I need the number pad, which is a must for work, but I was really impressed with how compact it is and how much space I still have on my desk. What I immediately started doing is playing with the light effects, pressing the function and the insert. Lets you cycle through the different LED modes, and the function and the arrow keys lets you speed up and slow it down, and also adjusting the brightness. Now when it comes to typing, there's a good amount of space under the keys, which means if you're light on the keys, you get a pretty quiet experience. But personally, I love the clicking noise, and I tend to type pretty vigorously, so I definitely get that classic mechanical keyboard sound. Swapping out keycaps is super easy with the included tool. Overall, this keyboard has a great design, a solid feel, and all the functionality I need for both work and gaming.